After several years competing in motorsport, I started road and race restorations in response to my fellow competitors asking if I could restore, rebuild and set up their race cars. This passion for motorsport has continued right the way through our history. Now we race our own cars, and our close association with Porsche has led us to looking after the bodywork for the Carrera Cup. In 2014, Road and Race were invited to Weissach, Porsche's motorsport and development centre in Germany, to attend training and develop methods and tooling to repair the multi-material GT3 Carrera Cup race car at the circuit. Racing Porsches is expensive and time off the track due to accident damage is even more so. Our technicians have the exclusive skills to repair these cars overnight if the situation demands, and enables a competitor to finish a race weekend. We're the only company trusted by Porsche to carry out these repairs in the UK. In 2016, Road and Race were honoured to be asked by Porsche Cars GB to head up the full restoration of a Works 924 GTP race car, which was entered by Porsche for the 1980 Le Mans. This car was driven by Andy Rouse and the late Tony Dron, the sister car by Derek Bell. The restoration consisted of remanufacturing bodywork, sourcing missing parts from all over the world and coordinating the bespoke manufacture of components. It is now on display at the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart. It is the only restoration of a Works Porsche race car that had been entrusted to any other company outside of the museum. After realising there was a quality gap in the accident repair industry, we dovetailed restoration with quality accident repair work, and we became one of the very first manufacturer-approved body shops with Mercedes-Benz in 1993. Since then, we've attained approval and recommendation for the VW Audi Group, including being one of the few fully aluminium structural repairers in the country, and of course Porsche, looking after the Northwest region for all their bodywork needs. We have strived to carefully but continually expand without losing our ethic for quality. And this has only been possible with our loyal, passionate and highly skilled workforce which Tom, my son, now leads.
Ever since it was started, Road and Race has been run with the same ethos of quality of repair and customer service above all else. We really pride ourselves in delivering a smooth, seamless and stress-free customer journey process. As a recognised flagship repairer for a number of the world's leading prestige vehicle manufacturers, Road and Race has a team of highly trained, professionally accredited technicians with access to manufacturer-led training, specialist equipment, tooling and genuine parts. It means that we're able to repair our customers' cars in line with the manufacturer's safety and quality specifications. In a continuously evolving industry, Road and Race has kept up to date with the latest repair methodology and equipment. What that means is we're able to repair cars right the way back from the 1950s to the latest high voltage, fully electric, hybrid, multi-material vehicles to the prescribed manufacturer's methods. Road and Race continues to be a family-run business, and with its history rooted in a passion for cars, our customers can rest assured that the cars will be repaired with the knowledge, the care and the attention to detail that it deserves. It's a common misconception that many people have that you have to have your car repaired where your insurer dictates, and it's not the case. It's your legal right to choose where you have your car repaired. We're constantly striving to make that a simple decision for those who wish to have the car repaired to the highest of standards.